In the latest update in the Israel-Hamas war, Israeli forces reportedly stormed the Nasser hospital in the southern city of Khan Yunis on Thursday, escalating tensions in the region. The hospital, which has been a focal point of operations, was surrounded by weeks of fighting, leaving it largely cut off. On Wednesday, thousands of displaced Palestinians who sought refuge at Nasser hospital began departing after Israel announced the opening of a corridor for them to flee. However, overnight, Israeli fire into the facility resulted in the tragic death of a patient and left 6 others wounded, according to medics. The Israeli military, in an attempt to evacuate thousands from the besieged hospital, fired into the main medical complex. The situation has further strained the already devastated health sector in Gaza, which is struggling to treat numerous patients injured in the relentless bombardments. Israel accuses Hamas of using hospitals and civilian structures to shield its fighters. In southern Lebanon, Israeli airstrikes on Wednesday claimed the lives of at least 13 people. Among the casualties were 10 civilians, predominantly women and children, and 3 fighters from the Lebanese militant group Hezbollah, an ally of Gaza's Hamas militants. These strikes followed a rocket attack from Lebanon that killed an Israeli soldier, marking the deadliest exchange of fire along the border since the conflict began on October 7th. The video footage from the aftermath of the strike at Nasser hospital showed chaotic scenes, with medics rushing patients through smoke-filled corridors. One of the remaining surgeons at the hospital revealed that the 7 patients struck on Thursday were already receiving treatment for previous wounds. He described the situation as escalating every hour and every minute. Negotiations for a ceasefire in Gaza appear to have stalled, with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu vowing to continue the offensive until Hamas is destroyed and hostages taken during the October 7th attack are returned.